Hello everyone, welcome to Spectrum classes. So in the last video we have discussed about the lime soda water softening process, and due to the length of that video we cannot discuss there the calculation of lime soda requirement and their numerical problems that we are going to discuss here in this video. So let's start. The calculations that are involved in the lime soda process are as follow. So from the reactions involved in the lime soda process, the amount of lime and soda required for the softening process can be calculated as follow. First, one has to calculate the hardness which is caused by the different type of salts present in the water sample on the calcium carbonate scale, as we discussed in our previous video, and in the next slide we are going to calculate the all these things so you will better understand there. First, we have to calculate the hardness caused by different type of salts present in the water sample on calcium carbonate scale. Secondly, calculate the amount of lime and soda required by the water sample. So that again we are going to discuss, and the requirement of lime, how much lime is required to remove the hardness which is present. So calculate the amount of lime, then multiply it with the molecular weight of lime divided by molecular weight of calcium carbonate, since we have calculated this hardness on calcium carbonate scale, right? So lime requirement can be done on the molecular weight of calcium hydroxide. So the molecular weight of calcium hydroxide is 74 and molecular weight of calcium carbonate is 100. So here we are going to calculate the step 4, the requirement of soda, that can be calculated from the reactions involved and multiplied by the molecular weight of soda divided by molecular weight of calcium carbonate, and the molecular weight of soda or Na2CO3 or sodium carbonate is 106 and the molecular weight of calcium carbonate is 100, right? So in this way we are going to calculate stepwise. Now the numerical problems, here onwards you will understand all these things in a better manner. So the numerical problem is calculate the amount of lime and soda required to soften 25,000 liters of water having following impurities. So rather writing in the statement terms, I have just simply write it in this tabulated form just to save the time of the video. Okay. So these are the salts which are present in the water sample, their amount which is present in the water sample, their molecular weights. We have already done all these exercise in our previous video. Here again we are doing this. So calcium bicarbonate which is present in the water sample is 24 ppm or milligrams per liter, and the molecular weight of this calcium bicarbonate is 162. Similarly, magnesium bicarbonate is present 7.5 milligrams per liter and its molecular weight is 146. Magnesium sulfate present 9.6 and its molecular weight is 120. Magnesium chloride is present 5.0 ppm on milligrams per liter and its molecular weight is 95. Similarly, these salts are also there and their molecular weights are written. How we are going to calculate the hardness caused by these salts at calcium carbonate scale? So this can be done by this degree of hardness, weight of the salt causing hardness, so that is 24 suppose, multiplied by 100 which is the molecular weight of calcium carbonate divided by molecular weight of hardness causing salt, so that is 162. So in each step we have done this divided by this multiplied by 100, this divided by this multiplied by 100. Similarly we will do this, okay, and we will get these numbers. Okay, so this is the hardness which is caused by the salts at calcium carbonate scale in milligrams per liter or in ppm, right? So in this way one can calculate this. Now we are coming to the point whether for this type of salt what kind of chemical is required. So here, for as we discussed in the reaction part, calcium bicarbonate requires lime, magnesium bicarbonate requires 2 moles of lime, whereas magnesium sulfate, magnesium sulfate and magnesium chloride requires lime plus soda, lime plus soda, calcium sulfate and calcium chloride requires only soda. Okay, either you can check from these reactions or you simply understand here that for calcium bicarbonate we require lime, magnesium bicarbonate we require 2 times of lime, and for magnesium we require lime plus soda. For magnesium chloride we require lime plus soda, and for calcium sulfate we require soda, and for calcium chloride again we require soda. Calculate the amount of lime required. Okay, so we are going to calculate the lime required. In this way, lime is required in this step, and how much this is given against this hardness. Okay, so here I have written this 14.81 plus 2 into 5.41. Here you can see plus 1 mole of lime against this and 1 mole of lime against this. So 5.07 plus 8.0, right? And no other lime is required. Now multiply it by the molecular weight of lime divided by 100. So this will be equal to 38.7 into 74 by 100. This will gives us 28.638, and on multiply this is milligrams per liter, and for 25,000 liter of water, requirement of lime is equal to 25,000 into 28.638 milligrams. We will get 715,950. So if we divide it by, this is in milligrams, if we divide it by 1000 to convert it into grams, into 1000 to convert it into kilograms, then we will get 0.72 kilograms of lime, right? So how we are going to calculate the requirement of soda? So soda required, first we have to do that. Here is this, so soda requires in these 4 steps, and according to that this and this. So simply add all 4 steps. No multiplication is required as we did over here, so no need to do that because no multiple is there, and molecular weight of soda is 106 divided by 100. On adding all these we are getting 31.84 into 106 divided by 100, and from here we are getting 33.750, and this is in milligrams per liter, and for 25000 liters soda required is equal to 25000 into 33.750 will be equal to 0.843 kilograms. Okay, so in this way one can calculate. The next numerical problem is calculate the amount of lime and soda required to soften 50,000 liters of water having following impurities. So these are the impurities which are present in the water sample. So similarly, I have done this table again. So these are the salts and these are the amount in ppm which is present in the given water sample, their molecular weights, and similarly what we did here, we do this is the weight of the salt causing hardness divided by its molecular weight multiplied by 100, which is the molecular weight of calcium carbonate. In this way we are having this column. Okay, so just to you can solve by yourself. So this is so simple, but it seems to be very difficult, right? And here one can calculate the requirement of lime and soda. Here L represents the lime and S represents the soda. So as we discussed earlier, so calcium bicarbonate requires 1L, magnesium bicarbonate requires 2L, magnesium sulfate requires lime plus soda, magnesium chloride requires lime plus soda again, calcium sulfate requires soda only. For carbon dioxide, if it reacts with calcium hydroxide, so it will form calcium carbonate. Lime is required, and for this lime plus soda is required, and for this lime plus soda is required again. Okay, so here we have just simply write, and you can understand this. Once you understand, you are able to do this exercise in a very simple manner. Okay, So from here you can calculate the amount of lime required and amount of soda required separately, right? Here the calculations are in the same way again. Lime requirement, calculate the amount of lime into 74 divided by 100. So I'll just do this, and from this we can simply calculate. So this is lime, requirement of lime, so corresponding to this 16.97. Here 2L, so 2 into 12.05. Next is 3.5, 10.21. Next is 6 point plus 6.81, and then 60 plus 1 point. Here this is 60 and this, right? And here we are having this much, and this will be equal to 91.3012 milligrams per liter. And for 50,000 liters what we need, so this will be multiplied by 50,000. This is in milligrams, and we will get 4.57 kilograms. Okay, so this will be the answer for lime. Similarly we can do the for soda. So requirement of soda is equal to this much, so 3.5, 10.21 plus 17.35 plus 60 plus 1.79 multiplied 106 divided by 100. So what we will get, 92.85 into 106 upon 100. This will be equal to 98.42, and this is in milligrams per liter. And for 50,000 water soda required is equal to 50,000 multiplied by 98.42, and that will be equal to 4.92 kilograms. Okay, so in this way one can calculate the requirement of soda and lime. That is why if we change the source, dissolved salt will also change, and therefore we need to calculate it again and again from source to source. That is its limitation actually. So but otherwise it is a very easy method to remove the dissolved hardness causing salt. I hope you understand and find it useful. Thank you all.